morning, children. Now we will study the first colligative property, which is called as relative lowering of vapor pressure. You already know about when a solute is dissolved, a non-volatile solute is dissolved in a solvent, then it decreases vapor pressure of the solvent. So we can say the vapor pressure of a solution is always less than pure solvent. I am repeating, when a non-volatile solute is dissolved in a solvent, it decreases the vapor pressure of solvent. Hence, a solution is always has less vapor pressure than pure solvent. Now we'll apply the Raoult's law. Now, according to Raoult's law, the vapor pressure of a solution is equal to P0A into Xa, where P0A is the vapor pressure of pure solvent, Ps is the vapor pressure of solution, where Xa is the mole fraction of A, that is solvent, and Xb is the mole fraction of B, that is solute. Here A is solvent and B is solute. Now, the P0A is always greater than Ps. P0A is vapor pressure of pure solvent. Ps is the vapor pressure of solution. A solution has lower vapor pressure, so we can find out P0A minus Ps. Then it is called as lowering of vapor pressure. Decrease in vapor pressure when we are dissolving a non-volatile solute is defined as lowering of vapor pressure. So we can write P0A minus Ps is lowering of vapor pressure. Now we can write here the Ps is equal to P0A into 1 minus Xb, because we are using binary solution. Here Xa plus Xb is equal to 1. So Xa is equal to 1 minus Xb. So here we can write P0A into 1 minus Xb. When you open the bracket, you will get P0A minus P0A into Xb. So here again we can write here P0A minus Ps is equal to P0A into Xb. Now we write P0A minus Ps, that is lowering of vapor pressure, and then we divide P0A is equal to Xb. This term P0A minus Ps upon P0A is called as relative lowering of vapor pressure. So we can define the relative lowering of vapor pressure here. Hence, the relative lowering of vapor pressure of solution is equal to the mole fraction of the solute, where B is a solute. I am repeating, P0A minus Ps is lowering of vapor pressure, and according to Raoult's law, it is equal to P0A into Xb. So when you transpose P0A from here, you will get P0A minus Ps upon P0A is equal to Xb. So the relative lowering of vapor pressure is equal to the mole fraction of solute. Now we will put the value of Xb. Now when we put the value of Xb, then we can write Xb is equal to number of moles of solute divided by total number of moles. That is number of moles of A and number of moles of B. Now Nb is equal to mass of the solute divided by molar mass. So Nb is equal to Wb upon Nb. Na is equal to Wa upon Ma plus Nb is equal to Wb upon Nb. Now for dilute solution, and in your course also, we take only dilute solution. In case of dilute solution, this Nb will be nearly equal to 1, and that's why we can write Xb is equal to Nb upon Na. This is equal to WB upon NB into MA upon WA. Here WA is the mass of the solvent, MA is the molar mass of the solvent, WB is the mass of the solute, and MB is the mass of the solute. So now all these colligative property or this relative lowering of vapor pressure, this colligative property is used to find out the molar mass of the solute. So we can find out the molar mass of the solute if you put these values here in this formula. So in the next we will see how can we determine the molar mass of the solute.